In this video, we will explore how to remove background of image in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's get started. Open your Microsoft PowerPoint and here I'm going to insert first pictures. To insert picture in Microsoft PowerPoint, go to the insert tab. Then in images group have a pictures option. Just click on this drop down arrow and here you can see the first option, this device. Just click on it and you can insert picture from your computer. So I select here the one dog picture and click on the insert. Now you can see here the picture inserted. With this picture, the pictures format tab also added. You can use this tab to formatting on these pictures. You can use the pictures styles, you can crop this picture and other effects also you can use here. Here I am showing you how to remove this background. Same as go to the picture format, in adjust group have a remove background option. Just click on it and wait for the few seconds and you can see here all background will remove. You can see here the preview on this slides. The background is not showing on this picture. Just click anywhere on the picture and you can see here the background is removed. Okay, so this is a way you can remove the background. And if you want to remove the particular background only, you can highlight the area those you want to remove. So I use here the Control Z to bring it back the pictures, and again I go to the picture format and click on the remove background. Here you can see the two option, mark area to keep and mark area to remove. So I select the second option. Okay, so I just mark area to remove. So I want to remove the first dog. Okay, I just mark the first dog only and click the anywhere and you can see here the first dog is removed. Here the similarly I'm using the second option. Again go to the picture format and click on the remove background. Okay, then I select the first option, mark area to keep. So I select the first option, mark area to keep, and draw here the area those I want to keep on this picture. So I just draw here. Okay, so I just draw this area and click the anywhere and you can see that this area is kept in these pictures. So this is a way you can use this picture format. Same as if you want to again go to the picture format and click on the remove background. If you want to discard all changes, just click on this option and you can see the original picture is showing here. Okay, so this is a way you can use this remove background option in Microsoft PowerPoint. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.